Mama just had both of us. But by the end of today, she'll be childless. So I'll kill you. I'll kill myself too. Oh, because of you. Because of you.
I know. I'm not worthy to call your sister. I have sinned against God and against you. But one thing I ask.
Don't ask me for anything! 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 Who is that?
Madam, it's Madam.
What do you want?
Madam, the car you asked me to wash, you locked it.
Get out!
Madam,
I said get out!
I never meant to hurt. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to break a happy home. I know how much you played with me.
Hi, this woman will kill her sister. Eh? I haven't been sure.
Hello?
Hello, Oga?
Any problem?
Oga, there's a problem. Madam wants to kill her sister. I was even knocking, she doesn't want to open the door.
Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm coming there right away, eh?
Hey, Oga, I can't break that door. That door is too strong. Or unless if you want to afford the whole building. Eh? Okay.
God.
Start talking.
Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one day always leads to another.
I'm not asking for your forgiveness.
Leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper.
I don't deserve it.
Always leads to another.
I only want to tell you how it started. I never came into your house to hurt you. Destroy your mind. Heaven bears me witness. I only came to assist you. To cover up for your weakness. And that was what I was doing. With all my heart. I never had any skeleton, in my cupboard.
Man, you can't believe it. Every morning I wake up by 3:30 and I go to bed by 12 midnight. Yeah! Hey!
Kesi udualo bonka. Hey! Mba no one can card. That means you don't sleep at all now. Eh? What kind of job is this? This is called slavery. Slavery. You leave this back work. Oh. Why don't you look for a job that will give you time to take care of your family? Eh? You need to look after your children. Like careful, teaching. Yes, teaching. If you go to the classroom 8:30 in the morning, 1:30 ago, you can't go in Nabajena do Mwakanya.
Mama work at all. All these jobs you're talking about, the salaries only on a meeting. I go not to cover mama. Eh? If not for this banking work, mama, check any who would have been taking care of Prezi school fees? And all these good hospitals I take you to, mama. Check any
because since you started working in that bank, you've been taking care of us. Prezi school fees more, eh? Hey, I have forgotten I'm a widow. Oh, I eat very well now. Look at me. I have put on so much weight. Now I go for work. That canvas that you bought for me. Oh, we go back on now. Now, guys, the name is Son Combian come.
Mama, may go tell you also. But Mama, there's something I want you to do for me. I want you to help me talk to Praise. You know her exams are finishing by Monday. Let her take the first bus and join me in the city by Tuesday morning. It will help me a long way, Mama. Oh, because
so only me will be here in the village. Nobody to help me.
Mama, because
Okay. Because you're a good daughter. And she's your sister too. And also because you have little children. I will tell her.
Mama, thank you, Mama.
Oh, your sisters.
Thank you, Kokuyo, Mama. Thank you very much.
You know how to obwe. Before you go. I pounded it myself. While I was pounding it, I was sweating. Even some of the sweat was entering inside it, which will make it tasty.
Hey, Mama.
Without further.
Mama,
shape. You be say when you get to the city, you look for shape.
Okay,
check out Baba Nime Hey!
I'm not going anywhere. I will not go.
How can you talk like that? How can you even talk like that? Is this not your big sister that we're talking about here? Somebody that has been taking good care of us. Everything we eat in this house is the one that bought it. From milk to sugar. You went to secondary school. She's the one that paid your fees. This is the time to pay her back.
Now, she trained me to the secondary school. Fine, let her finish what she's doing now. Let her finish it. When I get to the university, finish. I'll get a good job. Then I will pay her back. I will even take care of you. Get a better job and take care of you even more than her. I will not go. I I cannot go and be a house help for anybody in the city. I'm okay with my village. I'm not going.
Look at you. How will she pay for you to go to university when you cannot show appreciation for the little one she has done for you? You are going to that city. All this one you're talking here, I'm not listening. You must go and help your sister in Achije University. University.
Mama, I'm not going. I'm not going.
We will see now. In this house, two of us, we will see. Nonsense. You meant each one now in a village, next room, young boy, son, and where is he? Go to the township and help and let us see if we will see a better man.
Sorry, Mommy.
No need to be. I'm already used to it.
I've spoken to Mama. And she promised me she'll talk to Praise. So tomorrow morning she'll be here, okay?
It's okay. At least a relation is better than a total stranger.
Yeah, you're right. And my children will also be safe in their aunt's hands.
Exactly.
You're not dressed yet.
Mama, I don't understand. Dressed for what?
Is it not today that you're supposed to go to the city to go and help your sister? In that dream, dressed for what?
Hey, Mama. So you thought I was joking? I told you I'm not going. I will not go, Mama. I will not. I wasn't joking when I said that. So you want me to automatically leave my computer lesson and go to the city to do what? To help her as what? As house help? Mama, I will not. I'm not joking. I will not. She should employ somebody, not me. I won't.
So you want to stay in the village and be going for, it's not computer lesson. Who is paying for the computer school? Eh? You're busy moving from one man's house to the other. Isibo keke, ijebo kafo, okafo sino zuro, imababo okonkwo sino all the short, itibabo okafo. Okonkwo sino all the short, itibabo obiora. Eh? What kind of a human being are you? Instead of you to go to the city and help your sister that paid your school fees and is not paying for that same computer, you're saying you will not go.
Mama, you see all this when you're saying you're on your own. It will not change anything. I will not go. I will not, Mama. I'm all for lesson.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to break your heart. I know how much you blame me. I'm sorry, forgive me. Remember, one thing led to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper.
Ma, welcome.
Antonio, how are you? Did she come?
No, ma, I didn't see anybody today.
Come be serious.
One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Thank you, darling.
You're back.
Yes. Nathaniel told me she didn't come.
I got back and I didn't meet anybody. So I made some quick cereal for them.
I'm so sorry, darling. Mama gave me assurance that she was going to be here.
They're also my kids. It's my responsibility to take care of them.
Oh, no. If I'm too busy and too occupied to do these things, I think I should provide an option. Not let my husband do house chores.
Whatever.
I'm sorry, I'll take care of it, please. I promise.
Yeri wadimma, yeri agalani, wena babedia, Ewena danenu imani yerina kona. Ewo yerine. Yeriana. Hello?
Hello? Mama, good evening.
Ugo, chalo kwa mwa kaiga balance network ade better. Ugo, how are you?
I am not fine, Mama. I am not just fine, Mama. Why didn't I meet Praise when I got back to this house?
Tell me why, Mama. Ugo, I told her. I begged her. I told her to start going to the city or Gorokwa. She says she does not want to come to the city.
No, Mama, please. You just have to talk to Praise. Because if I come back from work tomorrow and I don't meet her in this house, first of all, I'm going to employ a house help, and you people should henceforth not expect anything from me. Because I will use the money I spend on you on a weekly basis and pay the house help. And as for Praise's university career, she should find someone who will take care of her and sponsor her. Please, Mama.
Chimo, you don't be too rough with your mother. No, wait.
Sick. They do this all the time.
Hello? Hey! I'll call to go one. Praise. You will not kill me in this house. Praise.
Good evening.
Did you say good evening? Look at the time you're coming back. Is this the computer lesson you told me you were going for?
Mama, we finished late. I had to join my friend in their house. This one you're asking. Am I doing anything for you in this house?
Are you doing anything for me? Are you doing anything for me in this house? You don't want to hear with these ears. You must hear with your ears. Hey, look at you. Better go in there, pick up your phone and call your sister and tell her you will see her first thing tomorrow morning. Kina Koeli. Nonsense. Come on, get out of here.
No? Did she say anything?
Did she? You're asking me?
You're asking me stupid questions.
Meant to bring a happy home.
Yes.
I know how much you made me.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry for giving me.
Why don't you should sit there until God comes back? We went to bring his kitchen.
Oh, she told you I would be coming.
Alright. How is Billy?
Fine.
You're welcome.
Deeper and deeper, 'cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. To another, tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Down.
I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Uncle.
Praise.
Uncle. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Princess. Junior, you guys are so grown. Look at you. Fine girl. Junior, did you miss me? So how was this day? I missed you, my children.
How was the journey?
It was okay, Uncle.
Oh, good. Welcome to our home.
Thank you.
Nata, bring her back. Let's go inside.
This leads to another.
This is where you will keep your bag for now. This is the room you'll stay. You might have to change room later, but for now this is where you'll stay. Over there is a toilet and a bathroom. You can go in and freshen up. I'll be in my room. Okay. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay, Uncle. Thank you, Uncle.
You're welcome.
Eat noodles.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat rice.
Why?
Because I ate noodles at school today. I want to eat rice.
Your mom is not around. When she comes back, she'll prepare rice for you. For now, take noodles.
I want to eat rice.
Eat noodles now?
No, to eat rice.
I'll spank you!
No, Uncle. You don't have to shout at her like that. It won't help matters. Princess, you want rice? Okay, it's okay. Auntie will prepare rice for you too, okay? Now smile for Auntie. Good girl. Now let's go to the kitchen so you help me. So that you wear pants. Lulu, skip to my Lulu. Skip to my Lou, my darling. I love my mommy, she loves me too. I love my mommy, she loves me too. So, Princess, what did you learn in school today?
I learned states and capitals. Abia, Maya, the Mama, Yola, Akwa Ibom.
It's okay. You don't need to sing while eating, okay? So you won't get choked.
Whoa.
Uncle?
I can see Junior is asleep already.
Yeah, she's sleeping already, finally. Okay, take it upstairs.
Okay.
Uncle, your food is there.
Oh,
Yes, you're hungry.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Madam Rice. You're back.
Oh my God. Today's work was something else. Could you believe that the transactions could not tally? We had to start all over again, only to find out that one stupid new employee committed a blunder in her records. But thank God we're able to sort everything out.
It's okay.
Oh my goodness. Dad, were you able to eat something? I'm sorry I made you go to bed on empty stomach again.
No, I didn't. Your sister made a very delicious meal, so I had a wonderful dinner.
Really? And the kids?
They did too.
Let me just go and freshen up so I can have my...
Praise. Sister, good morning. Good morning, dear. How are you?
Fine, thank
I hope
you.
you slept okay.
Yes, I did.
Please, I have an early morning meeting this morning, okay? Take care of the kids, prepare them for school, and put something in their lunchbox, alright? Their father will take them to school later. How is Mama?
She's fine.
We'll talk about that later. Have a good day.
I said it. I said it. You want to turn me to a house help. If I was in the village, I'm very sure by now I would still be sleeping. How many things will I do at a time? Lunch bus, take them to school. Please, me, I'm still sleeping. I'm not going anywhere. Uncle, good morning.
Good morning, Praise. How was your night?
It was fine, thank you. Uncle, breakfast is served.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let it be for now. Let me go prepare Junior and Princess for school.
No, Uncle, you don't have to do that. I've done that already. So, I'll just get them down.
They're ready for school?
Yeah, ready.
That's it. How? By this time? Wow.
My dear, I'm telling you, she does everything in the house. She cleans up, takes care of the children. Can you believe by the time I'm back from work, my children are already in bed, dinner served. By the time I wake up in the morning, my kids are already in their uniforms. You can't believe it.
Hey, hey, I envy you. Hey, you see how good the help of a younger sister could be.
But you know you can always employ a house help who can help you out.
No. Not after the last experience. My husband won't even hear it. No, don't try that. But that's continuous suffering.
My dear, as you can see, we don't belong in the same league.
Very soon your sister will get admission to university. And you'll go back to square one.
By the time that happens, another solution will be standing by, so don't worry.
Uncle, good morning.
Praise. Good morning. Today's Saturday, right?
I know. My sister said I should come and pick up your dirty clothes.
Oh. Where's the sister?
She's downstairs.
Okay.
Uncle, please, what would you like to eat?
Ask your sister.
I've already done that. She said I should inquire from you.
Really? Interesting.
It seems you are becoming so lazy these days.
What's wrong with the younger sister helping us house chores?
Is today not Saturday? Are you going to work today? When will you start playing your role as a housewife?
I'm not playing my role.
Oh yes! Why would you ask her to go and check my dirty clothes and ask me what I would eat? Is that not supposed to be your duty as a wife?
Daniel!
Don't Daniel me! You go to work every day, Monday to Friday. You don't care how we fare, you don't know how the kids survive. And on a Saturday, you still don't want to do anything? What kind of life is that?
I sent her upstairs because I was busy down here.
You're not busy, you were just plain lazy.
Listen, Daniel, you met me as a banker and you married me as a banker. So you're going to...
Oh, cut that crap! That banking crap! I know a lot of bankers who go to work every day, but they still manage to combine home affairs with that of work. But you, before Prince came into this house, I almost turned your houseboy. You are blunt, lazy. That is it.
I don't know what came over him. I mean, he has never complained before.
But you know men are like that. Once they see another woman better than their wives, they will.
Another woman? No. Prince is my younger sister. I paid her school fees up to this moment. What's wrong with her coming out to help me with house chores? What are sisters for?
I understand, babe. But see, you have to take it easy with your husband. Even if he wrecks down the entire building, just be at the receiving end. It will help you a lot. And you know, little things like this can really bring a lot of problems to the home. So please take it easy with him.
Things changed. When Daniel stopped complaining and accepted things the way he saw them. Oh no.
Stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one day
unknown to both of us.
leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another.
That was the beginning of our doom.
I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
He was happy.
To another.
He was
trying to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Iron is funny.
One thing leads to another. Trying to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper.
He was happy with me.
Always leads to another.
It's like Madam has talked with her sister. Are you sure she's not dead? It's like they are discussing. Thank God.
Little did he know I was gradually the position of his wife. Psychologically.
Leads to another. Trying to stop my feelings, but I went deep.
Emotionally.
Cause one thing always leads to another.
And otherwise.
One thing leads to another. Trying to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to
Oh, I'm tired of this game. Princess. Oh! Yeah, come. Princess, come, let's do this one. Come. See that game? Down. Junior, come now. Come, let's play this one. Come, let's play this one. Okay, now go. Bend down. Knock me down. Good. No, not fake. Please, you fake. Yeah, let's do it again. Bend down. Ah! You fake. Oh! Okay, bring it, but let's start again. Oh! Yeah. Okay. Your hands are too small. You cannot catch that small ball. Come. Oh my God! Shut up. Now, Uncle, back in the village, I used to see my friend computer center that I learned French back in the village in secondary school. So they believe me. I'll tell them I can speak French very well. I'll combine two words like la computa la vo la pokwa. Wait, that there's no finish.
What's the meaning of that?
And I'll tell them it means that is my computer. Let nobody get near there. Do you know what happened, Uncle?
What happened?
One day, one man from Ivory Coast came to the class. He speaks French, so they said they should come and call me that I'm the only one that understands French very well, that should come and translate whatever he says. Uncle, if you see wrong, I run away.
Why are you running? You should have taken to speak French now.
Am I crazy? I used to grab him. As I saw him, I peeked. I run away.
Why did you stay?
Okay, I can't stay now.
You should have stayed back now. I will speak now to
Something I
speak
say, I'm crazy. Let me see.
What?
Auntie.
Oh.
Welcome. And what's the laughter all about?
We're just chatting.
Honey, you're back.
Yes, I am.
Okay. I'll be in my room.
No, finish your story now.
I'll take the card. Am my first welfare? Yes, they're in the room. Good night. Oh, good night.
Good night, French woman. This is your sister, they don't kiss. She went. La computa, la bebou.
Honey, please let me take you to the hospital, okay? You've been like this for the past 3 days. Please.
No, we can't go out now. I won't risk you going out at this time of the night. It's almost 1 a.m.
I know. I can call the doctor on the phone because he lives very close to the hospital. Please.
Let's leave it till morning, please.
No. I'm not comfortable seeing you like this, please. Just get up and change your clothes. Let's go to the hospital.
Let's leave it tomorrow.
No, please.
Oh.
Just try and get up. Please, okay? So you can dress up. Try, okay? Try, darling. Try, please. Come on, please try. Oh, goodness. Sorry. You'll be fine, okay?
Praise. Please look up.
Sister, good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Fine. My husband has been admitted in the hospital. The doctor said he has acute typhoid. Please prepare these children for school. Put something in their lunchbox and for their breakfast, okay?
Okay.
Meanwhile, I've arranged for a cabman who will take them to school and later take you to the hospital, okay? So also prepare something for my husband. Is that okay?
Okay. Sorry about Uncle.
It's okay. Did you get what I told you?
Yes, I got everything.
Okay, I have to rush now. I'm late for work.
Who is sick? Uncle, how are you doing today?
I'm fine. At least I'm better than yesterday.
Don't worry, Uncle. You're very fine soon.
Thank you. How is Julia and Princess?
They're fine. I dropped them off at school before I came here. Sister arranged for cab for me. Uncle, I brought your favorite food.
Thank you, Prince. You're such an angel.
Thank you. Should I?
Yes, help me with it.
Okay.
I've been trying so hard to avoid you, but I find that I cannot resist you, 'cause you are driving me out of my mind. I just can't help it, baby. Can't you see your love is driving me crazy? You fill me with fire, I'm burning with desire. Ooh, it feels so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love's so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, it feels so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love's so good. Give me more,
Thank you.
give me more.
You're welcome.
Chris, don't you think it's about time you went home?
Yeah, Uncle. I want to stay with you.
I know, but you have to attend your computer classes.
I know. I can always go there some other time, but you need my company now. I want to stay with you.
You're such a wonderful person. You're an angel.
Thank you.
I love you, Praise.
I love you.
Daddy, 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 daddy.
My boy, how are you doing?
Daddy, we are fine. Daddy, when are you going to come back?
I'm coming home tomorrow.
I want to stay here with you.
No, you can't stay in the hospital. You have to go home with Auntie Praise.
No, I want to stay here with you.
Princess, we shall come back, okay? But first you have to go home. Change your uniform, get dinner for daddy. Then we'll come back to see daddy, okay?
Okay.
That's my girl, right? You go home, get refreshed, then come.
Okay, now let's go. Move it, move it, move it. Okay. Sorry, we'll go back later.
Alright. Take care of it.
Okay. What's the
Come on, let's finish it, okay?
Okay. No, don't worry about the clocks. I'm fine now.
No. The doctor said you have to finish it.
But I'm okay now.
No, you have to. Here. Please. I think I'm okay. Honey, you know I have to go to work very early tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Let's go rest, okay? Okay?
Alright.
Grace! Grace! Come and clear the table, please.
Give me a hug.
Why is my sister dying? Jesus! What kept you?
Nothing?
Nothing?
Yes. What could have kept me?
God, this has to stop. He is my sister's husband. What is happening to us? To me? No. No. It has to stop. It has to stop.
Honestly, I want to go back to the village.
Sometimes I wonder why and how you prefer the village life to city life. Tell me, what is catching your fancy in the village, Grace?
Maybe she has a boyfriend there.
I think you're right, Lovett. One rascal has been restless since she left.
You never can tell, you know. You girls will not understand. Then make us understand, praise. It's true that it's not been long we met each other, but as it stands now, we are the only friends you have here in the city.
So we should be the shoulder you lean on. Anytime there's a need for us, tell us what the problem is, and we might have a solution for it. We may be of help.
You can't tell. This is beyond you girls. It's an complex emotional situation. Praise, no matter how complex the situation or the problem may be, we are young girls like you. We might have one or two things to tell you, you know.
Exactly.
So let us understand. Tell us your problem. Like I said, you can't help. I said it's a complex emotional situation. And that's why I want to go to the village. If you can help, then why am I running to the village? Just forget it, okay? Forget it. I shouldn't have listened to my mom when she taught me everything with my sister. I think I have to avert it now that there's still time. I have to go back to the village. What are you talking about, Praise? About what? I don't understand.
Praise, stop speaking to us in riddles, please.
You don't understand. My sister's husband and I were getting fond of each other more than required.
Is there anything wrong with that?
Like I said, you don't understand, do you?
Of course I don't.
Okay. Let me tell you. My sister's husband and I, we are getting emotionally attached to each other. More than mere sisters-in-law thing. And the problem is, I don't trust myself anymore. I don't trust myself anymore. If he eventually comes to me, I don't think I can resist him. I think I'm falling in love with that person.
Oh my God. This is serious. Please.
Now you see what I mean. You understand what I'm trying to say.
But you can actually stop it if you want to.
You think so?
Yeah.
How?
By telling your sister.
No. Don't even go there. Don't go there. My sister will kill me. I should... no. I should what? Tell my... No. Please. Just think of something else. I can't do that. Tell my sister. You want her to kill me? No.
Praise, I don't want you to go back to the village. There could be other solutions to your problem that does not include going back to the... You don't have to go back to the village. There's no reason.
What other solutions? Can you tell me what other solution? Just tell me one and I will do that. But not telling my sister, because I will not tell her. She will kill me. Her husband. Do you know what that... Please. Say something else, please.
Nobody's...
Don't make me regret for telling you girls these things. Please, I beg. How can you say that?
It's okay. Nobody's going to kill you. Just tell your sister.
I will not tell my sister. Thank you for your advice, but I have to go. I have no option. I'll miss you girls. Seriously.
You do, Praise. You do. You do, okay?
I'll miss you girls.
Talk to your sister and she will understand. And then she can come back.
You don't understand. I can't.
You have to. Just try something.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to break a happy home.
I'll call you again.
I know how much you blame me. I'm sorry, forgive me. Remember one thing.
You know what? Indeed, Praise is in trouble if she can't handle that.
What will you do if you were in her shoes?
You know, that's a big question. I don't know if they are both in love with each other. It's left to her to know if she's going to give up her joy and happiness for her sister.
You still have not answered my question.
What do you want me to say? That I should keep on hiding my feelings and nurture it till it's fully grown and matured. Is that what you want to hear?
Maybe that is what I would do if I were in her shoes.
You know what? Praise is different. And she has a proper home training. She won't do that. She can't do that to her own sister.
Fine.
Always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another.
Becoming a unit controller and the general manager has always been my dream, even before I joined the banking sector. Nothing can stand my way. I'm already there.
What about if your husband stopped you from going for this 3 months training program in South Africa? What would you do?
No. My husband can't stop me. He can't.
Why? Why are you sounding as if you are too certain?
Because even before he married me, he knew my passion. He knew my ambitions. And he knows that nothing can successfully stand between me and my career. I just can't.
I just hope my husband will allow me to go for that 3 months training. I just pray he does.
With the way you're sounding, my dear, it means your promotion is in the hands of your husband. I mean, you know it's after the training that you'll be promoted.
See, if my husband sees a way of stopping me from this banking job, he will. I hear talking about promotion.
Anyway, you and I need to be separate words, so it's not mine. Hi. You. Speak up, say something.
What's the problem?
Nothing. Forget it.
No. You have to tell me what the problem is, and don't lie to me before I lose it on you right now.
I wanted to tell you that I want to go back to the village.
Why?
I don't want to stay in your house anymore. I want to go.
You're running away from house chores, right? You want to go back to the village, right? What you want to do is follow all those riffraffs and street boys. That is it, right, Praise? Huh? You want me to spend my hard-earned money on you? Every time you ask me to buy you clothes, books and everything. But you cannot help me when I need you, Praise. Let me tell you something. I don't want to hear this nonsense in this house again. Do you hear me? I don't want to just hear it again.
You want to go? You want to leave me and go? You want to leave us and go? Go where?
Uncle, it's not what you think.
I just can't help it, baby. Can't you see your love is driving me crazy?
I don't want to stay anymore.
Why are you doing this to me? You want me to go back to the kind of life I was living miserably?
Uncle, please. Please. I don't want to cause problems between you and my sister.
Kiss me.
Jesus. Sister.
She's gone to bed. She's gone to bed and she thinks I'm in bed too. What?
You can't believe it, Agnes. What? My sister wants to leave me now of all times. She says she wants to go back to the village, that she's tired of staying with us. Can you imagine?
Strange. So what would you do now?
I warned her about that nonsense. I believe she'll never talk about it again.
Now that you are planning for that training trip to South Africa. Devil is at work, you know.
No devil can stop me. Even if she insists on going back to the village, I will let her go. Nothing will stop me from going to that training in South Africa. Instead, I will employ the service of a housemaid.
A maid? You mean with all the scandals going on in Africa about housemaids, rough handling and maltreating the children when their parents are not at home? No, I wouldn't advise that. I won't do that myself. Instead, I will cancel the trip.
Cancel the trip? No. We both have our priorities, you know.
I'm not even sure my husband will allow me to go for that trip. Like you rightly said, we both live in two separate worlds. You know.
You don't want it. No, it's the first time. That wish I couldn't tell. What's the reason of wanting? To go back to the village.
What happened?
I'm going back to the village.
Who offended you? And you're even with your big bag.
Nathaniel, will you leave the way? Leave the way and stop asking me questions. Please.
Since you came into this house, everything has been moving well. Even the kids love you. Why do you want to go back to the village?
Nathaniel, please don't remind me of things I don't want to know, please. Nathaniel, please.
Okay.
How can the afternoon be good when you did not tell me that you were coming? Okay, is there a problem?
Mama, there's no problem.
What happened?
Mama, can I at least go into the house fresh enough? I'll tell you everything you want to hear. Please, Mama.
Tell you what? You want to go into the house freshen up? While my heart is on suspension. You don't want to tell me what happened?
Mama, be cool now. Please, can I go in and change, freshen up? Mama, the journey was very hectic. Please, I'm tired. I'll tell you everything later, please. But now, let me go and freshen up, please.
Hey, Chimo Buemo. Hey, Praise. What is it?
We've been sitting down here for how long and you've not told me exactly what the problem is. Kerifich Makianata, what is it? Explain to me, let me understand.
Biko?
Mama, what else do you want me to say? What else do you want me to say, Mama? I'm no longer a kid. I know what is right and what is wrong. And I said I'm tired. I'm tired of that house, Mama. I'm tired of everything. Sister Oguna, her husband, the kids, everybody. It's not safe for us, Mama. Mama, I don't want trouble. Please. Trouble? Just let me be, Mama. Let me be.
Trouble. 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 That's all you've been saying. You don't want trouble. Tell me what the trouble is, Kamaloni. Are they beating you? Feneti Ife? If you don't tell me, I will not know what the problem is.
Mama, I don't want trouble from Sister Ogonna. Her husband.
The kids. Everybody. Mama, please. Just forget about it. Just let me be, please, Mama. I'm tired.
Odiokomma, it's not good. This is your sister that we're talking about here. She goes to work in the midnight, comes back again in the midnight, no time to rest. Just for you to go there and look after the children in Oleba and Anchor trouble. Okay, I've said my own. If you like, you help her. If you don't like, you can't was Ali.
Who is your sister? Who is your sister, her praise? So you have the mind. You have the mind, her praise.
Sister, it's not what you think.
What is it? Tell me, what is it? Tell me. Mama, no. Mama, so this girl came back to this house and you allowed her stay in this house, Mama?
But when she came back, she told me that there was trouble. Everywhere, trouble.
Trouble? What trouble, Mama? Ask her. Look at her here. Let her tell us what the trouble is.
Trouble? You mean you people did not quarrel?
Mama, look at her here now. We did not quarrel.
Praise.
Mama,
what happened?
I don't want to stay.
Mama, have you seen it? She's running away from housework, Mama. It's a lie, Mama.
Ask her now, Mama. I'm the one doing the whole housework. I don't just want to stay. I don't want to stay. Why should I run away from housework? Why?
The only thing you know how to do is to rub lipstick. You thought Angela tell eyeshadow, tell everything terrible. You know wig, swag trouser. You know mean moving on the highway. That's the only thing you know how to do. You were putting one now chakra.
Before I close my eyes and open it, you better get into the house, pack your bags, and let's get back to city.
Before your sister closes the eye and opens, move on.
I'm waiting, my friend.
I don't want to stay.
Look at her. Because I can open nothing and closing the eyes. How come I can my upkeep money? Because if you don't listen, she will not supply the milk and sugar.
Yes?
Good afternoon, sir. We didn't see Praise in our center today, so we came to check if she's inside, if she's okay.
She's fine.
Can you help us call her and tell her that Joy and Lovett are at the gate waiting for her?
Sorry. I can't call her.
What do you mean you can't call her?
Are you sure she's inside at all?
She's inside.
Call her now and tell her that Joy and Lovett are at the gate waiting. Is that too big for you to do?
You just better go. I can't call her now, please.
Biao boy, are you okay? Call her, tell her that we are both waiting for her outside.
Please don't call me a boy. Point of correction, my name is Nathaniel.
Can you
just go now? I can't call her now. Thank you.
That trip to South Africa was an unfortunate. From the pit of hell to ruin us, to steal our love and bond.
Leads to another, trying to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to
between both of us.
I never really planned
My sister.
One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
If only you had allowed me to go back to the village.
Leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
Honey, why is your face like that? Come on, cheer up. It's just for 3 months, and besides, we're all good. Please.
Are you set?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go.
Praise, please take care of the house for me. Take care of the kids as usual, okay? And take care of my husband as well.
Sister, I will.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Praise, please take care of the house. I'll drop off at the airport and go to the office from there.
Okay, Uncle. I will.
Uncle, I thought you said you'd be leaving for the office from there.
Yes, I forgot something.
What?
Let's go inside.
Inside?
Let's go inside. Yeah, now we are free.
Free to do what?
Free to love each other.
Oh, Uncle, please. Uncle, please. I can't do this. I can't do this to my sister, please.
Please stop saying this. She's gone. We have the whole house to ourselves now.
Oh, please.
Please wait.
No. What? Stop. Oh, stop, please.
No, please don't do this to me. Please, I beg in God's name, please. What I feel for you now is so deep. It's something beyond my control. You can't do this to me, please.
She's my sister. I can't do this.
Praise, please open the door for me, please. Praise!
No! Go to work!
How can you do this to me? You know I've come to fall in love with you. I've fallen completely in love with you. I need to see you. Open the door for me, please.
Daniel, why are you doing this to me? Why are you torturing me? Why are you tormenting me? I'm your wife's sister.
I know that. I made a mistake marrying her. I want to correct that mistake now, please. Please don't leave me like this. Just open the door. I'm begging you. Just open. I want to talk to you. I want to see you.
Go away. Go away. Leave me alone. Go. Leave me alone.
Okay. I'm going.
Always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Trying to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Trying to stop temptation, but I...
Some of my friends tell me in school that his mother takes him out always, but my mother don't do that.
Princess, do you know why Somto's mother has time for them?
No.
It's because Somto's mother is a teacher and your mother is a banker. Teachers have time for themselves. They go to work in the morning and close by 12 in the afternoon. Same time you close from school. But bankers, they work from morning till night. Okay? So don't compare yourself with Somto again. Okay?
But Auntie Praise, will you be a banker?
No, I will not. You know why?
No.
Because I would love to be a teacher. Because I want to have time to take care of you. I'll go to work in the morning, come back in the afternoon when you are back from school. So I'll have time to play with you, feed you and take care of you.
My mother is a banker.
Yes, sweetheart, your mother is a banker. Now, open up, open up. Good boy.
My mother will come back tomorrow, right?
Your mommy is not coming back tomorrow. Your mommy will come back next month. But I'm here for you now.
But Auntie Praise, will you leave us?
I won't leave you. I'll be here for you both. For all of us.
Give me more, give me more.
Wait, no.
What is it?
No, I can't do this.
No. I know we have the same feeling.
No, please. I can't do this. Go to your...
Please don't do this. I can't think.
I can't do this. She's my sister. I can't do this.
No, wait. Praise.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to